Cement Standard Consistency Water Consumption Test, Standard Method. 1. Executive Standard. GBT 1346 to 2011 Cement Standard Consistency Water Consumption, Setting Time, and Stability Test Method. 2. Purpose. By testing the permeability of cement slurries with different water contents, the amount of water required in standard consistency cement slurries is determined. 3. Test apparatus. Cement slurry mixer, Vickett apparatus, standard consistency test rod, water meter, balance, circular mold. 4. Steps. Preparatory works. 1. Check that the sliding rod of Vickett apparatus slides freely. Wipe the test mold and the glass base with a wet cloth, and place the test mold on the base. 2. Adjust the pointer to 0 when the test rod touches the glass base. 3. Confirm that the mixer works normally. Preparation of cement slurry. Mix with the cement slurry mixer. Wipe the mixing pot and the mixing blades with a wet cloth first. Pour the mixture into the mixing pot. Then carefully add the weighed 500 g of cement into the water within 10 seconds, to prevent water and cement from splashing out. When mixing, first place the pot on the pot seat of the mixer. Raise to the mixing position, and then start the mixer. Mix at low speed for 120s and then stop for 15s. At the same time, scrape the cement slurry on the blades and pot walls into the middle of the pot, then stop the machine after high-speed mixing for 120s. Determination steps for standard consistency water consumption. After mixing, immediately take an appropriate amount of cement slurry and fill it into the test mold that has been placed on the glass base, making sure that the slurry exceeds the upper end of the test mold. Gently tap the excess slurry exceeding the test mold 5 times using a straight-edged knife with a width of about 25 mm to remove any air bubbles in the slurry. Then, at about 1/3 of the surface of test mold, slightly tilt it outward and gently saw off the excess slurry. Then lightly wipe the top once from the edge of test mold to make the slurry surface smooth. Be careful not to compact the slurry during the process of sawing off excess slurry and smoothing. After smoothing, quickly move the test mold and the base onto the Vickett apparatus and place the center under the test rod. Lower the test rod until it comes into contact with the surface of the cement slurry. Tighten the screw for 1s, 2s, and then suddenly release it to make the test rod to freely and vertically sink into the cement slurry. When the test rod stops sinking or after releasing the rod for 30s, record the distance between the rod and the base. After lifting the rod, immediately wipe it clean. The entire operation should be completed within 1.5 minutes after mixing. The standard consistency slurry is obtained by immersing the test rod in the slurry and maintaining a distance of 6 mm plus or minus 1 mm from the base. The mixing water content is the standard consistency water consumption, P, for the cement. Test data processing. Calculate the result based on the percentage of cement mass using the formula. Clean up the test site.